In this video, I will show you how to apply for the Robinhood Cash Card. To do this, simply open up the Robinhood app or website and go to the Spending tab. From there, you'll see introducing the new Robinhood Cash Card, the debit card with weekly rewards that helps you build investing habits. What you want to do is just click Join Waitlist, and from there you're already on the waitlist. Now when they have a spot for you, then they will reach out to you, and from there you can then actually get the card. But this is the most important step. Just go and click on Join the Waitlist, and in the future, when it has been out for some more time, you may even be able to just get it immediately. For now, you just want to join the waitlist and then check up on the Spending tab every few days, because then when it is available, you can get it from right here. So now you know how to apply for the Robinhood Cash Card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.